Okay, we are doing an unboxing today. What do we have here? Let's see. So, unbox this. Okay, it has came in, it has arrived, my iPad. So you sweep up trash and it just collects it. How does it work? I don't know. Oh, it goes right there. We'll see. It looks like a water cooler. Child, I don't know. We're gonna find out today. We're gonna learn today. Okay. Could you help unpack this? So you guys, this is a vacuum. It has a power cord. Okay, so it has a power cord. I don't know how it works. Oh, micro filter right here. Okay, this is a filter. Great. And so this part here has a filter. So I guess the hair and stuff goes here and you dump it in the trash. So this is a pretty cool gadget. I'm gonna see how it works and I'll give a review. Toodles. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna cut up some hair. Right? Let's see how this bad baby works. Oh, the blue light. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. Oh, so that's the button. So this is auto. I think. Oh. Oh. Pretty cool. I like it. And we turn it on. You guys, I love it. Okay. It works pretty good. Air comes out of here. Let's get closer. This is the off button, this is the auto button, and this is the man. Okay, you guys, so pretty good gadget. I recommend this for any stylist. You sweep the hair in front of it and it sucks it right up. So thumbs up, you guys.